If you want to make money only by your phone with no budget, then welcome to this channel. You carry your phone everywhere, but did you know it can make you money? In this video, I'll show you 7 real ways to earn from your phone, with no investment, no fancy skills, and you can start today. Let's go. Got a decent camera on your phone? Start taking quality photos and upload them to websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Fope. Each time someone downloads your photo, you get paid, even while you sleep. Making short videos can be fun and profitable. Use your phone to create content in a niche you enjoy: fitness, tech, fashion, motivation, and grow an audience. Once you have views, you can monetize with brand deals, affiliate links, or even YouTube Shorts bonus. If you're good at something, math, fitness, language, or even gaming, use apps like Superprof, Preply, or even Zoom to offer coaching sessions. All you need is your phone and a little confidence. Use your phone to buy cheap or free items on Facebook Marketplace, Vinted, or eBay. Clean them up, take nice photos, and sell them for profit. This is how many people start their first business, from their pocket. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit to offer small services like translation, voiceovers, or data entry, all from your phone. Even if you're just starting out, there's always demand for basic jobs. Companies will pay you to test their apps or websites and give feedback. Sites like User Testing, Try My UI, or Playtest Cloud let you earn money by simply using your phone and sharing your opinion. You can use free tools like Canva, ChatGPT, or CapCut on your phone to create ebooks, resume templates, or motivational quotes, then sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your Instagram page. There's no excuse anymore. You have everything you need in your pocket. Start small, stay consistent, and build the future you want. If you found this helpful, stay with us, because your journey is just beginning. Let's grow together.